Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mohan and you are watching Affiliate Influx. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about why people fail in affiliate marketing business. So before moving ahead, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. So in today's video we will talk about 7 mistakes which people do while they start their affiliate marketing journey. Number 1 mistake they do in selection of their niche or the product. You must have heard from many people that you should select your niche according to your interest or your passion. That is true, but I do not agree to it 100% because if your niche or the product is not matching the requirement or demand or trend in the market, then you will have difficulties. If you already have audience in that particular niche, then it is good to start with your interest or passion. But if you are completely new, then it will be very difficult for you to get the audience in the particular niche if it is not matching the demand. So let's take an example. Suppose if you are interested in painting and drawing, and if you want to start affiliate marketing in that niche, so if you ask 100 people about the interest in painting and drawing, mostly 5 to 10% of people will say yes. So the market or the demand is very less in that particular niche. On the same time, if we talk about a sub niche called make money online, MMO, and if you ask 100 people, do you want to make money online, out of 100, 60 or 70 people will say yes. So here the demand will always be there, so you need to select a niche accordingly. Most of the people, they select incorrect niche and they don't get the result. They get demotivated very easily and they leave this field. The second mistake which most of the people do is they do not have patience. Guys, this is affiliate marketing and it needs patience. Most of the people watch the videos from pro affiliate marketers who are already earning in lakhs. They get motivated, they get inspired from them, and they also expect the same result from themselves. But this is not true. The affiliate marketer you see in videos, they have already spent so much of time, money, energy and efforts in this field, and that is why they are earning that much of amount. You have just started, you have a long way to go. Sometimes it takes 1 month, 2 months, 3 months or more than 6 months to get first sale. So most of the people do not have that much of patience and they leave this field with a bad experience. The number 3 reason for failing in this field is not studying your product. People just select the product and start promoting it. They do not study it. And when some prospect asks some question, they are not able to answer it and it leaves a bad impression. And if it is repetitive with most of the prospects, then you will not be succeeded. So in the field of affiliate marketing, I would suggest to use the product before promoting it, and by some reasons if you are not able to use that product, I would suggest to study that product. You can get a lot of information in the landing page of that product or in YouTube or videos or in Google also. You can read the reviews, you can read the experience. Once you are master in that product, then only start promoting and you will have a confidence promoting that product in front of prospects. Fourth reason is following traditional strategies. Guys, we are living in 2021 and traditional approach will not work. You cannot straight away go and promote the product and promote your product using the link in front of prospects. You should learn new ways. You should use all the social media channels. There are a lot of things to learn in this field. So the people who start their journey with traditional strategies or traditional approach of marketing, they will fail in this affiliate marketing field. The next reason is unable to provide values. So as I said, this is a modern era and traditional approaches will not work. You need to provide values to your prospects and then they will be your client and they will convert it to the sale. example, if you have decided to promote your product using Facebook, you need to join the group according to your niche, and you need to provide value to the group. You need to provide value using your content. You can post some related video, some PDF. Sometime you can go live and answer the queries or explain about the product or the niche. And after, if you have spent enough time, let's say 20 to 25 days, explaining about your product or the niche and providing values, there will be people who are consuming your product, and they will interact with you, they will ask questions with you, and finally they will convert into a customer. The next or sixth reason is lack of efforts. Mostly people think that affiliate marketing is an easy business. Guys, it is an easy business and anyone can do it, but it needs efforts. Without putting your efforts, you cannot be successful in any field. And this is affiliate marketing. If you are a beginner, you need to learn a lot of things, and for that you need to put a lot of efforts. Sometimes people start their affiliate journey by inspiring someone who is already earning a lot of money, and they do not think about the efforts that particular person is putting into affiliate marketing. They come in affiliate marketing, they do not give much time, they do not put much efforts, and they do not get result, and again they get demotivated and they fail in this business. The last reason for failing in this business is following too many gurus. This is an era of internet, and we have a lot of information scattered everywhere in the internet. You go and watch videos and you follow many gurus and you will get confused. So if you want to get successful in this field, you need to follow one or maximum two gurus or leaders, because if you watch 10 people, they will have different ideas, different experience and different strategies, and you will finally get confused. So guys, this is the information I wanted to share for today. If you really like the information, please like the video and comment on it so that I can make more such videos. If you want to learn affiliate marketing, please check the link in description and you will get a special bonus from me.